Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful in your lives. I welcome you all in my channel, and this is your bonus love messages for November 2020. I hope you are doing wonderful, Aquarius. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get your messages and wonderful reading for you. I'm having lots of messages for you, okay, and I will try my level best to give all the messages, whatever messages I am getting for you, okay. So let's start your bonus love messages. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me or ask me anything. And thank you so much for commenting beautiful messages, Aquarius. I really appreciate your messages, and thank you so much for that. So let's start your bonus love messages. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius, which I need to tell you. I'm going to use this Oracle Scared Tarot. Let's start. What are the messages? Wow. I have already done your main reading, Aquarius, and also an extended reading. You can have a look for that. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun card, new beginnings, Aquarius. This is the third confirmation that you are getting new beginnings in your life, Aquarius, for sure. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in career, new beginning in everything. So Sun card is there, new beginning is there for sure. And I'm getting 3 cards for you from this oracle, and that is Wheel of Fortune, Start, and the Lovers, Aquarius. Wheel of Fortune was there. These 3 cards were there in your main reading too. So again, this is a confirmation that yes, the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor for sure. Good fortune is coming your way. This is you, the star. You're getting new hopes and desires, Aquarius, and you are meeting your divine counterpart. The Lovers card is there. So if you have not met yet, so soon you are going to meet your divine counterpart. But some of you, my Aquarius, are already dealing with your divine counterpart. The Lovers card is there. So yes, this is the message from this oracle. Let's start with this message. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius, which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to them. Please help me out to explain me. Please help me out to give me all the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. For bottom of the deck, I'm having Chariot again. So while shuffling also, I was seeing Chariot. Let's start. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Cracker. Cracker is your message. Positive energy surrounds you. Love, joy, and good fortune awaits. Beautiful. So any other message which I need to deliver? Patience. Patience is your message. Slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. Okay, Aquarius, any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Moon, and again see Chariot. That's why I was seeing this card while shuffling too. 2 times I was seeing this card while shuffling, and bottom of the deck it was Chariot, and again I'm getting the Chariot. Okay, so yes, pay attention. The Moon card is there. Pay attention to your intuition as this time and move ahead confidently. Yes, you are blessed with intuitions, Aquarius. Use your intuitions carefully and move in a forward directions. Moon card is there, and there is a Chariot. Charge ahead with confidence. Stay strong and focused. Chariot is there for sure. Okay, so let me see any other message. Owl, Eagle, and the Lovers. Wow. Owl. There are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transition. Yes, some of you are getting, some of you Aquarius are in a transition period. Okay, you are transforming yourself and you are getting more intuitive. Okay, Eagle. You will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. Beautiful cards. And again, Lovers is there. You are surely dealing with your divine counterparts, because Aquarius, you are in a timeline in which you are going to meet with your twin flame. Okay, some of you are already on a twin flame journey. I already met your twin flame. If you have not met yet, so soon you are going to meet your twin flame, and that is written in your blueprints, that is written in your timeline of Aquarius. They are 2 paths ahead. Be true to yourself. Okay, Lovers card. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving beautiful messages for my Aquarius. Let's add some animal spirit for you. Let's see what are the messages, and I also want to share a dream with you. The dream can be for myself, but I want to share with you. Maybe some of you can get that message. Maybe some of you are will get my message for you. Okay, so I saw a big Scorpio. Okay, a Scorpio, a crab, a Scorpio, not crab, a Scorpio in the in my dream, and that was full of black, and that was too big, and I was opening the door so that that Scorpio can go outside, and it was going in that outside direction. So I don't know where, for whom the message is for. Maybe this message is for myself, but I need to share it with you. Maybe some of you can get that message. Okay, so that's the thing. I saw a big Scorpio. Okay, big Scorpio was there at the door, and I was opening the door, and that Scorpio was moving in outside of the house, outside of the door, that was going out. So yeah, that was the dream I saw. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. First message is Rhino Spirit. Overcome any obstacle. Overcome any obstacle is your first message. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Any other? And one more thing I need to tell you, that day before yesterday I saw one more dream in which I saw fishes. Okay, and they were white small fishes, and there was one orange fish. Okay, and they were on the floor. So I don't know what that means, what does that mean, but some of you may get the message if it is the message for you. Okay, so there were a fish, white fish, and one orange fish in all of the fishes. Rest of the fishes, they were white fishes, and fishes were very small. So that was the message for you. So I got koi fish spirit. There is always enough, and I saw that, and I remembered that dream by looking this fish sign. Okay, so there is always enough. Okay, there is always enough. And then there is peacock spirit. Let it shine, let it shine, Aquarius. Let's see. And avoid the noises in the back. My kids are playing in my home. Any other message which I need to deliver? Wow. Bad spirit, a rebirth is assured. A bad spirit is there. Bad spirit is there. Rebirth is assured. Okay, so don't worry about it. A rebirth is assured. And the message is turtle spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. Aquarius, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, don't worry about it if you are going in a slow pace, because slow and steady wins the race. So let's see any other message which I need to deliver. Any other message? Any other message for my Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver? They're saying no. Okay. Badger spirit, be fearless and bold. Okay, be fearless and bold. Some of you have to be fearless and bold. Hummingbird, be here now. Hummingbird spirit, be here now. Cow spirit, the miracles are endless. The miracles are endless. Rabbit spirit, now is a lucky time. Okay, Aquarius, now is the lucky time. So these are the messages from Animal Spirit. Thank you so much, Animal Spirit guide deck. sorry, not guide, deck, for giving the messages to my Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my Aquarius. So let's see. New start is coming. Okay. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius which I need to deliver? Please help me out to give the messages. Please help me out to deliver all the messages for my Aquarius all over the world. Please help me out to give the messages. Let's see. Bottom of the deck, I'm again having a new start is coming. So let's see. Let's see what are the messages. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Okay. Expect powerful change. Expect powerful change is your second message. Any other message which I need to deliver? The energy is gaining momentum. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. So, meditate and contemplate. Okay. Any other message which I need to deliver? The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Any other message? Any other message? You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Okay. Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Any other message which I need to deliver to them? Help me out. If there is any other message, then let me know. Is there any message? Is there any message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, you are very close to achieving your goal, and they're saying no more messages. Okay. So let's start. Don't let your past hold you back, Aquarius. Don't let your past hold you back. Very important message. Okay, never let your past hold you back. Balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. Okay, be bold and make the first move. Be bold and make the first move. Show the world real moon. Full moon in Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, show the real Aquarius. Okay, show the world real you. And blue moon, believe in impossible. Very beautiful message. Believe in impossible. And the signs here are Leo, Pisces, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius. Okay, so these are the signs which I'm getting here for you. Maybe some of you are dealing with these signs. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from numerology deck. Let's see what are the messages from this numerology deck for you. Let's add some message intuition. Okay, what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Please help me out to give the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? New beginnings I was seeing. Okay, let's see. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Adventure. 55. Adventure is the first message for you. Adventure is coming your way. And this was also the message while shuffling. I was seeing it. Follow your dreams, Aquarius. Follow your dreams. Okay. Any other message? Completion. World card. Completion. Completion is there. You're completing something. You're completing some cycle. You're completing something. Okay. Healing. Yeah, some of you are needing healing. Okay. And there is spiritual partnership. Spiritual partnership is there for you. So any other message for my Aquarius? Any other message for my Aquarius? Please help me out if I need to deliver any other message. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I am having change. So change is coming your way for sure, Aquarius. The message was surrender. Surrender to the divine timing. Okay, surrender is your message. Communication, again, 8 of Wands. Communication is coming your way. Patience is the message for you. Some of you need to keep the patience. Surrender to the divine. Okay, have trust. Synchronicity of numbers. Maybe some of you are seeing synchronicity in your life, the repeated numbers, synchronicity in something. Okay, effort is there. Leadership, and you have the quality of leadership, Aquarius. You need to know this. Okay, so leadership card is there. Then there is financial discipline, and the last message is rebirth. So something is completing for sure, death card and rebirth in this. So completion and rebirth is taking place in your life. And the numbers for today is 6 5 6 5 7 8. 5 is an important number. 5 6 7 and 8. Yes, 6 5 7 and 8 is an important number for you, some of you. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Let's see any other message I can add it out. What else I need to add? Let's add some quantum oracle. Okay, I'm thinking that I'm forgetting something to add. There is something which I need to add in it. True love and new beginnings. True love and new beginnings. I was just cutting the cards. Okay. New beginning and true love is coming your way, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages which I need to tell you? Please help me out to deliver the messages which I need to tell you. Okay, help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Any other message? Wow, some of you are feeling fear. You have to work on your fear. Okay, fear card is there. Maybe you are feeling fear, but you do not have to feel fear, Aquarius, because there is new supportive connection and the loving man. Can you see? New supportive connections, and there is a loving man again. Knight of Cups energy. So someone is offering you love. Okay, a loving man is there, and you're getting new supportive connections. Let me see any other messages. Any other messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the messages. Please help me out to deliver the messages if I need to deliver any of the message to my Aquarius. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Kindred partnership, how beautiful it is. Kindred partnership. Some partnership in love for sure is coming your way. There is lot of love which I can see here, Aquarius, and you have to take steps. And some of you are have to deal with this victim mentality in your consciousness. Okay, you need to throw this away, victim mentality. Okay, and there is your intention is to taking steps, and take the steps. Okay, don't feel fear. Don't feel fear. Take the steps. Taking steps is there because there are 3 cards here in between, which is very beautiful. New supportive connections, the loving man, and the kindred relationship. Can you see how beautiful it is? There is a lot of rainbows here in these two. There is a couple who is very happy. Can you see? They are very happy and in a love, feeling very happy. So these are the messages from this Quantum Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Let me see what are your guides want to tell you. Okay, what are the messages from your guides? Please explain me. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my carriers. Please give me the messages. Please explain. Understanding your body. Yes, you need to understand your body. Maybe your body is giving you some messages, Aquarius. So understand your body. 2112 was the recording reading time. So understand your body. Maybe your body is giving you some message. Wow. See, I will show you the both message. Release toxic relationships. Okay, as soon as possible you need to release toxic relationship. That's the message from your guide. Okay, and love is your energy. So you have to focus on this, that love is your energy and you need to release toxic relationships from your life. And you will get to know by your body, Aquarius. If there is some toxic relationship around you, your body will tell you. That's the message for you from your guides. You need to know that love is your energy. Any other message from the guides? Okay. Follow the golden rule and like attracts like. What is the meaning of golden rule? I need to read it out and I will read it out. Wait. The message of this card is the cornerstone for anyone choosing to live a mindful life. Anytime it appears in your spread, you will know that a situation is occurring or about to occur in which you need to treat others as you would like to be treated. Putting yourself in someone else's shoes and imagining what advice or help you would like if you were the person is the greatest exercise of empathy there is. From a karmic standpoint, you can never go wrong by following the golden rule. How you treat others can be labeled as right and wrong, but as long as your intention was to do as you would like to be treated, then there is no culpability on your part. You came with an honest and sincere intention based on the thing you know the best yourself. Guessing or assuming what actions to be taken can often lead to misunderstanding. Always think to yourself, if I were that person, what would I like to be hear from me? So that was the golden rule, that treat others as you want to treat yourself by others person. Okay, so like attracts like. Very important message. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Okay. Journey within. Yes, you have a journey within. Okay, so follow your journey. Trust your intuitions, Aquarius. Very important message from your guide. Have an attitude of gratitude. Yes, always say thank you whatever the goddess divine is giving you. Okay, because everyone doesn't get that blessings. So whatever situation, whatever things, whatever person, relationships you are having in your life, always feel gratitude for them. Okay, always say thank you to the God. Any other message? Take responsibilities for your actions. Okay, patience is a virtue. Any other message from the guide? Any other message from the guide? Any other message? You are here for a reason. And yes, definitely Aquarius, you are here for a reason. Okay, so you have to know that you are here for a reason, and everyone has a value. So don't waste your energy or your time on toxic relationships. Leave them as soon as possible. You are here for a reason. Appreciate your talents, very important, and your beliefs are right for you. That's what I was telling you right now, that release toxic relationships, and you are here for a reason. Your beliefs are right for you. That's the message from your guide. They want to tell you this. Express your feeling. Express your feelings. Okay, worry is a wasted emotion. Do not worry, and worry is an wasted emotion. So these are the messages from your guides. Thank you so much, guys, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius, for giving them light into them. So let's add some messages from the universe, and I'm going to wrap up this reading here. Okay, and I'm going to post one more reading in which I'm going to do the soulmate reading and more messages. Let me see what are the messages from the universe. What universe wants to tell you? Okay, what are the messages from the universe? Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Please, guide, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to give the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the universe. There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. That's a message from the universe. That there is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Okay? Seek it. Love does not have to be mean near. Some are better love at a distance for a while anyway, then that's okay. Beside, love does not really know the difference. Universe wants to know that, tell you that sorry, love does not have to mean near. Okay, that doesn't mean that love has to be stay near. Okay, no two flowers are the same, yet all are beautiful there in their own way. Okay. I go where you go is the message from the universe, and you need not to worry. See, universe is trying to tell you that you do not have to worry at all, my Aquarius. There is no one in your life who has not always loved you. They are all just learning how to show it. Okay, so you need not to worry about it. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Any other message? Okay. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages to my Aquarius. Lots of messages. Any other message? Any other message which I need to deliver? Any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Help me out to deliver any other message for my Aquarius which is important and need to deliver to them. No. Okay. So, 1 minute. There are lots of messages for you, Aquarius. You have got time. Ever wonder what would make life's fleeting pain and sorrow totally and unquestionably worth it? How about living forever widely in love and loved widely? You have so much to look forward to, Aquarius. That's the message from the universe. You have got time. You are being watched by loving eyes. Universe is watching you by loving eyes, so do not have to worry about it. Love is never in vain. When you finally see what is whole time space thing is all about, you are going to laugh, you are going to cry, and you are going to so happy you loved as much as you did. Love is never in vain. You that you have options is meaningful, so rock on. Okay, my gratitude for every moment of your life. I would also wish that you could somehow know of your unimaginable importance, just as you are now to many lives of many. And of course, I will wish for even more wishes. You were such a good idea. If I could make just two wishes, I would wish I could somehow convey to you the profound depths of my gratitude of every moment of your life. You were such a good idea, the universe. That the universe wants to tell you. Okay? Everyone is doing their best. There are really only two types of people, those you now love and those you will love. Until there is only one type of person, and then we will probably hit reply, the game of life. Okay, everyone is doing their best. Love is love in spite of it all. Okay, love in spite it of all. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. Do you know what you have created? No. Besides an interglass, I can pronounce it. Okay. No, besides an unknown Saturn named after you, inspiration in your eyes that you have watched you, hope in the mind that you have admire you, and love in the heart that you have known. But you might ease up on your sashi before someone gets hurt. Not bad, kiddo, not bad at all. Okay, enjoy your uniqueness. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. Be true to yourself. You may not ever understand what's going on in their life, but you can always figure out what's going in yours. So be true to yourself. Those you love you. To be beautiful in eyes of other, simply forget they are watching. Okay, give yourself much credit. Those in great relationships are not always those who are good at relationships, and those in challenging relationships are not always those who are bad at relationship. Oh, see, wow, even though I use intemply, this one is really good. Please ponder. Okay, so give yourself much credit. Sometimes the good is hidden. Very important message. Universe wants to tell you that sometimes the good is hidden. Find the good in what they said or asked. It's always there, even if they did not mean for it to be there. The universe clues for what you want are hidden all around you. Convince yourself, not others. The need to clarify, explain or justify oneself in personal relationship is always self-serving. What's important is knowing the truth about why you felt the need, because it always points to the insecurities that could be dealt with in more effective ways. So convince yourself, Aquarius, don't convince others. And last message, all there is to love has been there all around. When you begin to find love in people and places where you have not found it before, it's always because you have grown. You so rock. Okay, so that's the messages from the universe. I hope it resonates with you. So these are the bonus love messages for you, my Aquarius. So thank you so much for liking my video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, so let me close it out here. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you like it, and do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and I see you soon.